Welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne, Australia, and it's just turned 5 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday for me. Tuesday still for you, Tom.
Mhm.
Okay.
I'm going to
That's
step away
good.
for a second. I'll be right back.
Yeah, no worries at all. Cool. Let me share. Yeah. So, welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only. That's because we're a group of people help each other, and we are not financial advisors. So, if you're going to take any trades, you need to be happy with what you take based on your own analysis. So, it's really about you learning how to trade a more relaxed type method, or in the case of Darren, some EAs. So, there's a full risk disclosure there. A little bit about us as live session traders. Okay. All right. What have we got in message or whatever? Oh, Darren's put something in. I saw that. Yeah. I haven't watched it, but I actually saw that video. I
Oh
saw
yeah,
it there. How
yeah,
are you, Darren?
yeah. All right, yourself. Is that the
Uh,
pet one you're talking about there, or
yeah, the one you just put in.
yeah.
Yeah, I saw
It's a good
he
video. I was just watching it then. Really, really quite good video, really. But
he's
some
still
great
talking about
martingales.
ripping out profits as you go along.
Well, no, he was more talking about trying to get grid martingales to work on a funded account, and
Oh.
he was talking about the Waka Waka, and he's basically talking about NZ New Zealand CAD seems to have very little drawdown. Um,
Hmm.
just minimal drawdown. Or other pairs are having massive drawdown. These martingales for some reason, and DCAD doesn't seem to have the problem. He's particularly looking at Waka Waka, which is a really profitable EA, but normally has massive drawdown. So he's he's basically worked out that or sort of concluded that NZD CAD Waka Waka would potentially could be very profitable on the funded account. So
Like an
that's
iPhones.
yeah, or X trading or whatever they call it. Yeah, so he's looks like that's what he's done. So he's put it on one of their accounts. But yeah, it's quite a good video. He's little
I think that the
watch.
Whacker Whack is quite expensive, isn't it? I
It
mean,
is. That's the
it's
thing. It's expensive. I think it's because it's so popular. They can, that's why it's so expensive. Because it just makes so much money. I think if it does like sort of was it 50% a year or something, 40, 50%. It's massively profitable. Um,
hmm.
it's had like 60% drawdown and that sort of thing, which is a bit scary. It's always the same. These martingales are the most profitable, aren't they? But they're risky.
Hmm.
Probably
Now,
have a bit.
has Euro stable taken any trades?
Not this week yet. No, no.
No, mine haven't either. I
I
only
said,
started this week, so it's
yeah.
starting on Monday.
I started
I've
it.
got
I started it last week, and it took a trade sort of at the beginning of the week and one near the end, and it
yeah.
was pretty quiet in between. But
No, I'm just
well,
wondering
that's
whether
fine.
I've got things set up properly because the other two are taking the Infinity's taking two trades now, and
Yeah,
um, uh, it, FX Eternals has taken
yeah,
one,
yeah,
um, but both of them are sort of in the wrong direction. Currently, what I'm seeing. But that's the thing is when you start out with an EA, it's going to actually probably take trades in the wrong trend direction purely because it doesn't know where it is in the scheme of the trade. That's
yeah.
just quite typically where it's at.
I'm in a buy on FX Eternals, and
You can.
yeah, but it did close a sell closed out early today, and it hit TP.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, see, you've been in much longer than I have. So if I look at Where is it? Oh, and I found out how to, on the phone, I found out how to work out which, well, you know from the
Yeah.
pair it's trading, but if you actually click on the actual drop down, for each trade, it actually tells you what it is in there.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Yeah. Which, that's right. It does.
Yeah,
FX,
so
yeah,
at
version
least I know.
1.1.
So sort of there. I don't know if you can see. I know you probably can't see. Oh yeah, there. See where it says Infinity Trader, whatever.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Yeah.
So it's just that, and that it doesn't tell you the stop loss or the TP or anything.
Oh, some
Infinity
do
Trader
though
high.
on FX Eternals does.
A little bit, I think. If I get back to that one,
It's got on mine. It's got the stop loss and TP.
it's doing it. It's doing a buy on it.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to buy. I mean,
Yeah, it's got
it's
stop loss and TP. Yeah, it's got
yeah,
stop loss and TP. You're right.
but it's literally
That's
only
what.
6 pips. The wrong way at the minute on mine. Don't know what it is on yours.
Um, no, I don't know. Uh,
Yeah, entered at
no,
1.39216. It's currently at
no, it's about
1.391.
50 pips off. 50 pips off the TP.
50 off the TP, but it's only negative, literally 5 or 6 pips, though, I think, isn't it?
Well, at the moment it's 172 and the TP's
But on
660.
USD CAD on
Yeah,
Eternals,
yeah.
yeah, 172, but it entered at 216, I think. Is that about right?
No, this one ended at 460 because it was the start of the week.
All right, okay.
So you've had yours running for quite a while. This has just got into a trade. Anyway, we'll talk about.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
UCAD's on a buy. I'll have a look later. And Euro Stable hasn't taken any trade yet for me because I only I only got them all set up on the weekend. So Monday, when the market was open, was its first opportunity to trade. But that's okay. Good.
Okay.
Yeah, I said I saw my son-in-law last night. I said, "Oh yeah, Darren's at 12," and he goes like, "Whoa, look, he's spreading things out, isn't he?" Love
Yeah.
it. So, but that's right. That's where we want to get to as well. We want to be able to have, a dozen or more.
Yeah.
It's just managing them. That's the thing, and then having them on funny accounts and stuff like that. So, all right, we will see. Um, Now let me just let's share across to the charts. So no manual trading for you, Darren. You're just watching the way it works.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. That's okay.
Yeah. I think these EAs can trade are better at trading than me. I think that's the sort of that's that's where that's where my mind's heading at the moment. So anyway,
So your mind's heading to just managing the EAs. Is that what you
yeah.
say?
So they seem to be able to trade better than I can. So that's what I'm
Yeah.
sort of thinking.
Yeah. Okay. Fair
Uh,
enough. At the moment, but you can. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. No worries. I think you can see yeah, look, hey, this, I'm just looking at AUD, NZD.
Oh, it's still going. I might have to move some more money across if that carries on. But
Yeah.
I mean, that is the one of the beauties of having a whole load of accounts.
Well, you can shift it from one to
It's very
another.
easy to shift it. If one of them's not got any trades open, I can just temporarily shift some around, and I can sort of double that balance again. And just
Yeah, but that sort of depends on which broker you're with, though, isn't it?
yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. To be able to do it quickly, you need to be
In the same broker.
same broker. So IC Markets, I've got a load of accounts with them, so I can,
Yeah.
for example. But yeah, yeah. No, you do. to do it quickly, instantly,
Mm.
which you can. But the IC market is instant. You transfer from
Yeah,
one.
I know. It's yeah, and Pepperstone the same. You know,
Yeah,
you got a regulated broker. It's like really easy.
yeah, yeah. That's right.
All right. Okay, so here we go. Let's go through these pairs and see how we're going. So there's AUD CAD. Yeah, it's still pushing up. I think it's going to break the top out here. I mean, the Aussie dollar has been really strong for, I don't know what's going to turn it at the moment. Obviously, the market, but um, at the moment, it's got a bit more to push itself up, I think. Push up, pull back, and off it go again. But at the moment, yeah, I don't know. We'll see if it pulls back or not. EDCHF also pushing off as well to come outside the box. It's all indicating it's going to at some point trip, but it looks like it's really just going to keep trending up. ADJPY staying pull back, but it's also pushing itself up. This is the AUD It's just ridiculous.
Yeah.
It's just phenomenal
I
what
think
that has.
we know where it's heading to, don't we?
Yeah, no, absolutely we know. I mean, that's 650 pips, like in that's 141, but that's 115 days. But it just is relentless. And you're right, it's going to start playing around once it gets up here. But whether it can pull back to that point that you need it to TP, Darren, is another thing.
Yeah. I was sort of looking at this on, believe it's not on the monthly time frame.
Over here.
Yeah.
Well, if we go the weekly, it looks like it's just going to keep going.
Well, if you look at the monthly, it's sort of I mean, this is really on a big scale. So going back to sort of 2000 and all the way back to 2015 on the monthly, it's it's in this sort of chip. It's always been within a range, and
Yeah,
it's getting
yeah,
close to the top of that range now that it's been
yeah.
in
But
for 10 years.
look where it's been. 2011. Look where it was.
Oh yeah, once you go past, back before 2015, but
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, 15. It's sort of sitting in this range in here. Yeah, did this spike up and then back, and then
up
you
again
had
and
where
then
is it?
back. Yeah,
COVID through here, and then it
yeah.
sort of spiked 22. Yeah.
I mean, maybe I'm clutching at straws here, but usually on a push like this on a monthly candle, it's usually followed by
Yeah, yeah. Push back down, yeah.
a push back down. But
I can see that you've actually got like a handful of straws.
I have, yeah, yeah, I have indeed. Trying to convince myself to stay stay on the bus with this one, and
Yeah. Well, look, the point is, Darren, it's going to pull back down. But
it is
when is
absolutely,
the
yeah,
thing? I mean,
yeah.
well, look at it over here where it just came off this cliff and it just dropped. Not to say, like it's been doing this and then come back up. Like that was when was that? 22, October 22. And it looks like, this is October 25. It looks like it's going to push up there, then drop off, but it may break that. Like it's in that, like it's across that whole section there. So if we go back to the weekly, you won't see for a while, but here's the weekly where it's come. Hang on, I have to go here. This is the weekly there. It's coming up to that short. Take it out.
Yeah.
And it's just how far past that it will push before it comes back down again. Because it will pull back. It's saying it'll pull back. And and that push has to actually fall off a cliff. I mean, look at it here. Push, 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 push. And then bang, it just drops down. Push, drop. This is the thing with this AUD NZD. It's one way or the other,
Yeah.
So
I'll definitely be ditching this when I hopefully get out of this. Get out of these trades.
you'll ditch AUD NZD and
I
put
think
it
so. Yeah.
onto a different pair.
I'll get rid of it and maybe just stick to AUD CAD
Yeah, okay.
on the Dark Titan.
I can tell you it's a lot more stable. The AUD CAD.
Yeah.
Hang on, we'll just go back there again and go back to the daily on it. You just look at that. So that's sort of that's where it's going to. It's going to break that, how far it goes past it, and then pull back down.
Yeah.
It seems to be the thing. If you look at the 2 hours, it's just like there is no, like, we had a little pullback here, but that was nothing it's just like boom, 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 boom. It had a little pullback there, you see, with the tail, but it's a crazy pair at this one. Tom, why weren't we in this down at the start, mate? Or even here at the knuckle? That it just has not. It's been relentless. All right. Well, I hope, Darren, that you're able to sort of keep that thing happening until. But it is martingale, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Thankfully, it's not as aggressive as a lot of the other martingales.
Yeah.
The lot sizes are starting to get bigger and bigger and bigger now, which means it doesn't have to pull back
As much.
anywhere near as much to to profit out. But they are creeping up now, the lot sizes.
Yeah. That gets the blood pressure happening, and yeah. Okay. But look, I know, having traded martingales before, and that, like, they'll just keep pushing and pushing till they just fall off. I mean, that's what happens. The market does it to knock everyone off, and then it just, once it's knocked off as much as it can, it just turns.
Yeah.
And they're all watching you, Darren. They're all going, will he put some more in there? Come on, let's see if we can suck a bit more out of there.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Has he got enough? Has he got the balls to put more? Okay. AUD Singapore. AUD has just been like phenomenal. Like, as I said yesterday, we had the rate decision. They kept on hold, and they're talking, like, the discussion was that, like the rest of the world, like UK and US, our inflation is slightly creeping a bit, and they're not happy about that. And they're saying potentially in November there may be a rate cut. There may not be. Depends on what the employment figures are, and what the inflation figures are, because they want more people unemployed. They want the economy struggling, and they want people having, keeping money back and not spending it, and they want it, the inflation goes. So they may not even November do a rate cut. It's going to be a quarter. And then if they don't do it in November, they said they might do it in February or not. Again, depends on numbers. They might not, but they're saying that should be the end of, the finish of rate cuts.
So what's happening in New Zealand then?
Well, to put it bluntly, you're in the shit at the moment. So the New Zealand Reserve Bank has now got a new governor. I mean, so that sort of changed the market around. But I think they've been lowering their interest rate to try and kickstart the economy a bit. And so I think their interest rate's quite low, which means that there's not a lot of confidence in the country at the moment. That's what I think. As soon as countries start lowering their interest rate, then you can see like Japan, they've kept their interest rates really low, and you can see the Japanese yen's not been going very well for quite a considerable amount of time. But yeah, no, New Zealand's in the dark at the moment. All right. AUD USD is one of those indicator ones I have for that I look at for AUD. If you look at it on the daily, it's done a pullback short on there, and now it's pushing back up again. I think it'll come up and break the top. This is saying it'll come up and break top as well. Yeah, that's the AUD has just got some quite interesting strength. Oh, what's that one, Darren?
I was just looking at it on the monthly UDNZD again.
Yeah.
There's a long now. There's a long on the monthly candle.
Yeah, I know.
Not that they seem
But
to matter, but
no, the longs don't. Well, can last a little bit. You can see here, you got a long there and it pushed up, but you just got to hang on with it. That's yeah. It's whether you got a bus ticket and you can stay on and you don't want to or not. That's it. Anyway, all the AUDs, like if you're in buys, I can't see it changing anytime soon. And after yesterday's hold on the interest rate, I think we're just going to keep pushing back up as well. There will be pullbacks, obviously, but I think it's still just got the strength at the moment. Right, CAD CHF. Oh gosh. I don't like to go into that cell. It's broken down past this double bottom here, and it will push a bit before it pulls back up. But definitely at the moment, the CAD still hasn't got a lot of strength, just like the US dollar. Um, they're struggling as well, both of them. So CAD-J, now that could be, yeah, that's also selling out. Look at that. Well, I think Canada's got quite a low inflation rate still um, across those sort of OECD countries, and they tend to be lowering the interest rate, which means that you're going to get the currency to drop off against lots of other currencies. All right, CHF, JPY, that's, oh, we've had a pullback. Okay. It was pushing up quite solidly. I'm going to wait for a turn here and then get into that buy. We'll just see. It might not be until the end of the week, or because we're now on what's your Tuesday, isn't it? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, as Tom puts it. But certainly, I'm going to look at that for after this pullback here. Let's come back to the trend line there. We'll see. This might come back to the trend line, and then I'll get ready for the buy back out. All right, Euro AUD. All right, so Euro taking the tumble now because of the Aussie strength. Certainly, I think this will push further down. It looks like it's saying it won't break the bottom, but at least there's some in there. Wait for the pullback if you want, Tom, to get into the proper sell on it. Euro CAD. Wow. It shows you the CAD weakness. It's been pushing up, but we're getting a bit of a bunch up here for it to push back down. I think Yeah, I'd be waiting for that buy on that one. Euro CHF. That that's saying daily, this is just gonna drop off. We still haven't come down to your entry here, Tom.
I know, not yet.
This has made it a bit different though too. Oh, don't do that. Yeah, it's wow. It certainly doesn't want to get past here at the moment, does it? It's broken out above. Looks like this might be, oh, it depends. The green line saying it's not going to get down there. This is a number of weeks. This is like 3 weeks now.
Mm-hmm.
Testing out that patience there.
Oh yeah. Let it do what it's gonna do.
Definitely not in any rush, is it? Oh yeah, Euro GBP. This is similar to that AUD NZD in my opinion, but it obviously see it's pushing back up there. It's doing a pullback right at the moment. Might be a good one to get into a sell right here. Tom,
Yeah,
look
my
at
trade's
that.
set up.
Is it? Yeah, good.
Yeah.
All right. And Euro JPY. Yeah, that's looking like it's selling off now too. It's only come back to the trend line. I get a bit suspicious when it just comes to the trend line and then uh, I mean, I think the overall trend is to buy, but it's looking like it's wanting to sell out. What do we got? Inflation. Yeah, see, inflation's come up there as well. Um, yeah. So the euro should really strengthen up because of that, which means they'll be less likely to have an interest rate cut. Euro NZD. This is again another one where you look at it and goes like, oh yeah, it's just got to drop off. It's not going to. It's not likely just at the moment. Any one of these New Zealands are just plowing up. Yeah. So you look at breaking that short over here. We came to it, pulled back, and then off it went again. And really, not a lot of hesitation. There's a few wicks down here, but uh, something's got to, something will happen eventually. It just keep surging away. All right, Euro Singapore. Well, that's sort of clumping up at the moment. Euro USD. Now, this is the. It looked like the USD was strengthening, but it looks like the euro is taking over again, and we're getting a push back up again. Um, we'll just see how that, because you had your what was it? Can't remember which EA you were stuck in, Darren.
Proctor.
Oh, Proctor, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's out, so now it's back in trades again, is it? Are we getting any drawdown on any of the?
No,
Because sharpshooters in it as well.
yeah, that's in Euro USD. No, it's just tight in a minute on AUD NZD.
The only one.
That's the only problem. Yeah, insignificant drawdown that is.
Yeah. The others have drawdown and they will, but it's what's significant. Yeah. So I think Euro USD, we're going to get a push back up. Right now, the GBPs. GA. Well, that's been dropping off, and I think it will go further too. Look at it down here. It's saying it's going to push up there, but I think we've got a lot further to go. A lot further. GBP CAD. So it just shows that the British pound's stronger than what that CAD is. And because I don't think in the UK you're going to be lowering interest rates too soon.
Oh.
Yeah, GBP CHF. We just want the longer term trends. That's what you need. This one's popped in now. It's coming back up again. All right. GBP CHF. I don't really. Does look on the daily that it's pulling up a bit, but not actually hopeful on this one at the moment. I think I'm just going to be a spectator. GJ. It's coming down further, but I can see that pushing back up again too. Just waiting for it. Now GN, up it goes as well. Right, get in the buy on that one. Oh, well, I think we will have a pullback, but I don't know. It's not really giving me a lot of indication of it may just falter a little bit here before it will, give it like a knuckle or something like that. But certainly the British pound's a lot stronger than the New Zealand dollar. All right, GBP Singapore. Okay. It's pushing up. And GU. Now, this is the one that I think I'm going to sell on this. And it's interesting. How do you read this one, Tom? Because it's got daily. Yeah, it's got daily in that buy, but then in the 2 hours, it's saying it's like, going to sell off. Well,
Well,
soon.
we're right in the middle, so I don't really care what it's doing.
Yeah.
From the high to low, we're in the middle, so makes no
Well,
difference to me.
the weekly saying it's going to buy. Now, Tom, you should be caring for us, the people with EAs. Unbelievable, you. Okay. Yeah. As I said, when you turn on an EA for the first time, it doesn't sort of know where things are at. It hasn't been following, and it tends to take trades in one direction or other, but not really in the necessarily profitable direction. We'll see. What's it say?
Somewhere, haven't you? That's the thing. So
Oh, that absolutely. You got to dip your toe in somehow. So if we go UCAT, it's not UCAT, I want GBP USD, and I want the other one. GU, where is it? Oh, didn't do it. Oh, yeah, you got 2 trades on there. GU, I've got sells on.
which
Oh, yeah, it's got no. It's Infinity.
Infinity. So you've got what sells on GU?
Yeah, 2 sells at the moment. But it doesn't tell you where the TP is or anything. That's what I'm looking for.
Doesn't on that one.
No. So I don't know when or if it's how it would profit out. So yeah, it had 1 sell and now overnight it's put another one on.
Well, I've got 4 sells and 4 buys open on this.
Yours has been open for a week. 4 buys and 4 sells. It's
I was
like,
in buys, and then you know. I need to have a look at look for the set file, I think, as well, that they're using. So again, I'm trying to sort of copy those settings from Petco's video, but
right. Oh, if you get a
uh,
chance, can you share that?
yeah, yeah,
It's
well,
just that it's that I think this one had the GBP, the conservative. I put it on the conservative
mm,
set file that came with Infinity.
yeah,
So that's okay. I think if we get a pull up and then it sells off, depends on how far it'll pull back. But ultimately, it's saying this thing's going to buy, so that's good potentially. But as Tom said, it's sort of sitting around the middle. So, all right, NZDs, let's look at the disaster that is occurring. That people have been jumping on the bandwagon. NZD CAD, bang bang. Like it looks like there's a turn, but I don't know. I think that'll disappear and we'll. Um, it's going to be interesting. I think we're still in that. Obviously, CAD's not that strong, but also New Zealand. I mean, they're both. Look at the drop off on the daily though. Like all the New Zealanders are just going in one direction. Um, NZD CHF, sell, sell, sell. Yeah, with wicks. Look at the daily. It's just like it dropped, pull back, it's just in the middle. Drop, pull back in the middle. It's just New Zealand, Japanese yen, same. Just down, down, down. And NU. Oh, right. New Zealand dollars obviously, sorry, US is weakened up a bit. Right, it's the only one that I'm. Let's see how far that pulls up. Gives a gold, get into the sell. Singapore Japanese yen. Did we did Euro USD? Yeah. Okay. Biver. And UCAD. All right. Well, I got to buy on UCAD with FX Eternals, but it looks like this is going to sell out. So what do you got, Darren? You
I've got to buy as well. FX Eternals.
okay? And you say that that doesn't have very much drawdown.
Yeah, that's what. Are you on the medium risk settings on
Yeah,
that, by the way?
yeah, medium. Yeah, yeah. I said that yesterday. Yeah, which
Yeah,
is hard to remember when you're on a dozen of them. Uh,
yeah. I had a sell closed out this afternoon for a profit, hit TP.
yeah,
It's good.
yeah. You've been in it. You've been in it for a couple of months, so that's one you sort of jumped on pretty early.
But yeah, I'm in a buy, but that only opened at well, that only opened actually earlier this evening.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Well,
I'm
I've been in
buying.
it since Monday when market opened, so it opened and took one. But it looks like it's going into the sell at the moment. And by if you're following any of these indicators, you reckon it's going to drop right off, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. All right. Um, I mean, anyway. I think the USD and the CAD are both sort of relatively weak. USD CHF. Maybe this is all part of the new Gaza deal. Oh my God. Yeah. Can you see how much given up? Not likely. Right. I think this will sell out further too, but I don't think it's worth it at the moment. Let's see. It's hugging too much around the middle. UJ. Wow. All right. Again, this is at the trend line, so whether it'll bounce it or break, I think it'll come down further. Still all right. Then USD Singapore. That's coming off as well. Gold. When's it going to stop? Hey? 3855. And Tom, your response to Dalton? That's good. I think you're right too. It's not giving up anytime soon. There's a whole lot of reasons for it to keep going. And silver, done a tiny little pullback there, but not a lot. It's going for gold, not going for silver. And Bitcoin's 114. Looks like that it could push back up further. Okay. And oil is dropping off again. 62.5. Oh, Darren, how's those gold EAs going? You only got happy gold, haven't you?
I've got dark gold that I still haven't.
Oh, I still haven't put it
So
on.
I've got happy gold, and all I'm seeing at the minute are cancelled pending orders.
Yeah, I mean, based upon what I've heard you say, it really hasn't done a lot.
No, it's not.
So the dark gold's now 199.
Is it? I sort of jumped in and got it. I've been a bit hesitant, really, putting it on. I don't. When something's just going in one direction all the time.
Yeah, just set it up to only take buys.
Yeah, set it up to take buys. Yeah,
But anyway,
yeah. Maybe that's what I should have done. I'd probably be quids in by now, but
yeah,
then I'm sort of thinking it's been pumping up for so long. I said it's take buys only, and it's just going to have a big sell off. Simply because it's overbought. I don't know. I'm just a bit hesitant to do much with that one now. Certainly on a live account. Maybe I've got some other priorities, but
yeah, yeah. The dark gold's 199.
I know that the scalping one. I'm not sure that maybe that's not suited to. Gold's just going in one direction all the time.
No,
The
correct.
scalping one creates these
And
channels.
that's the happy gold, you mean? Yeah,
Yeah, the happy gold. So it's looking for highs and lows, and it's looking for it to break out of
yeah,
channels, but it's just only going in one direction. It's probably not really getting any getting few setups. I don't know.
yeah,
But again, now I'm in the VIP group. I can get the set file. I'll do that actually.
yeah,
Trades at the minute, and
yeah, yeah, correct. Yeah, the dark gold's definitely it's 199 now. Hmm. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, but I think dark gold's yeah, potentially. You ended up getting it for 99, didn't you?
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Once they get a bit popular, that's it. And I
Yeah.
think there's also, isn't there aren't there other EAs?
Stacks of EAs, stacks of them. Many more to go, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, but I don't know where they are because it's not. If you look on the Dark EA site, you've only got the ones that you had, that you know, the half a dozen or four or
All
five or
right.
whatever it is. Jesus, Dark Elgo is like $400 now.
Well, there are some free ones as well.
Yeah, I don't
Um,
know. Yeah, I don't know how to get into
yeah,
those, but
I had difficulty finding them. I did find them eventually, but
yeah, I think you got to go from the link from.
yeah, I think you do. Yeah,
I think you got to go from Petco's or from I think it's the South African guy.
yeah,
There's a link there to go.
yeah. That takes you to the free ones. There's a
Hmm.
few of them. He's really into the dark. Yeah, he sort of trades pretty much all of them, I think.
Yeah. 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 Yep.
I mean, dark.
Well, they would have been given them for nothing,
Yeah, dark
and
algo
they're
is that's been really steady. I've had no very little, virtually no drawdown on that one as well. Similar
Dark
to
Algo.
FX Eternals, dark algo. Yeah,
And
it's
what's
not
that
as
trade?
that trades euro. Well, you can trade euro USD and pound USD. I'm only trading euro USD
Okay.
because I did ask I did ask somebody and they said they were only trading euro USD. I can't. Who was I asking? I think it was that
You got
Marco Solito. I think he replied and said personally he only trades euro USD.
who was it?
Solito, whatever his name is, he's the developer.
Oh, oh, right. Okay. No.
But you can trade both euro USD and pound USD.
That's Dark Algo.
Dark algo, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it's up 5% from
Oh
18
yeah,
to
it's Euro USD and GBP. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
so 5% in
Yeah, well, that's like $400.
yeah, it is.
That's
Well, I
400
say
US.
it's up 5% with uh, similar to FX Eternals, just very little, negligible drawdown.
Really?
Yeah, which has surprised me really. I thought that would be
It does yeah, because they're Dark Titan and you got on AUD NZD, that's quite a bit. But it just depends on the pair, doesn't it? And what it's doing. So you got most of the dark ones, have you?
Algo, Titan, and Gold. I've got.
Oh, not the Nova.
No, they had a message from them today actually because I'm in they're not the Discord. They got their own help section, and I had a message from them asking how I was getting on with the um I was getting on with it. I said, yeah, going nice and steady, dark algo, and they were saying obviously trying to sell me another EA, saying that Dark Nova works very well in conjunction with Dark Algo. Would you like me to show you how to do that? I haven't replied to that yet, but yeah,
Well, Dark Nova does that AUD CAD, AUD NZD, and
mm,
NZD CAD as well.
yeah, yeah. I don't want to trade AUD NZT. No.
No, 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 not at the moment. Or
Well,
Dark Titan, but Dark
in the
Titan is
in the Discord,
that
Eli, I
trades the
think his name
same,
is.
does it? Is it Dark
Eli.
Titan?
Yeah,
Sorry,
AUD
Gary.
CAD, NZD CAD, and AUD NZD.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
doesn't say it on the. It doesn't say it on their website on the thing, but see, it's only 99. The Dark Titan,
yeah. These
or not
Eli,
only.
South African guy, was saying in the Discord earlier that he's had a funded account that's been invalidated because of AUD/NZD on Dark Titan.
Oh wow.
Yeah. He must have had
Yeah, well,
conservative settings because it would have blown a long time ago if I'd have had it on there.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, well, the Dark Titan be worth to buy if you're trading it on a different pair. Did
Yeah.
you say it trades the same? It trades the same pair as it's not saying on here, but take the same pairs as Dark Nova.
Well, I don't. Yeah, I don't know Dark. No, I've not really looked at it, but I think you just said, didn't you, to trade?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I suppose it. Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Well, it does AUD CAD, AUD NZD, and NZD CAD. Yeah.
I think Waka Waka trades those pairs as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me have a look. Where I'm going to okay. There's Waka Waka, yeah. How much are they wanting for that one?
I think it's about a
That's like,
grand, isn't it? $1,000 or something.
oh,
Yeah.
that's that Valerie trading, yeah. Oh, there we go. What do they want? This has got what? Oh, 10, you don't want 10. Oh, they're saying 10 licenses and it's 2.5 grand.
2.5.
Yeah,
Christ.
but that's 10, 4 or MetaTrader 4 or 5.
Waka Waka.
Yeah, 2.5 grand. But that one blue account, so I don't know if you can buy
Record
less than
breaking
that.
EA. 11,000% in 8 years.
Yeah, well, try it for free if you want.
Yeah, 2.5 grand.
Yeah, it's 2.5 grand. You can try it for free if you wanna. You can register and then obviously put it on a demo account or something. I don't know. Not sure. Yeah,
That
they're all quite
that's a lot.
expensive, these ones. Pricing, here we go. What do we got? Pricing.
Only 10 left at this price.
Yeah, yeah, that's what they're saying. Yeah, they're all 2,520. That's Newscatcher, Evening Scalper, they're all the same.
But maximum drawdown is 66% on Waka Waka.
Yeah, I know, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, not paying that much for it, not at the moment.
No, no, no. Well, it's all of their like the Percept Trader AI is 2,520. They're giving you a discount. It's normally 2.8. Golden Pickaxe, Waka Waka, Newscatcher Pro, Evening Scalper Pro, and Night Hunter.
But you can see that massive drawdown on Waka Waka, can't you?
Yeah, yeah,
Massive
yeah.
drawdown in. I mean, it was last year. It was sort of March last year, but
Or you can get the entire pack if you want.
6 grand. Yeah,
Yeah, 6,700. That's like, for me, that's like 10 grand Aussie. And that'd be for you, would be like 5,000 pound, wouldn't it?
yeah.
Wow. I reckon they got that market, don't they? Yeah, well, that's only for three of them if you want to buy each individually. So save up and buy them all, mate.
I think. What's the one? What's that? That one that's on my hit list, my purchase list.
Oh,
That's a bit pricey, so that's why I've not got it yet. Is the FX Stabilizer Pro.
right.
I've got a note here of the ones I'd like to
Oh,
pick.
FX Stabilizer Pro. Hang on. Oh, FX Stabilizer Pro. Okay, yeah,
FX
yeah.
Stabilizer Pro, Multi-Pair EA, Forex Trend Hunter, and Japan Strike.
Yeah,
And the Ranger EA.
yeah,
They're all on my sort of shopping list, hopefully over the next few months. So not at the moment. I've spent enough on them for the time being, but
yeah.
need to make some money first before I buy any more.
That what was that part of the actually that Wacka Wacka, you don't even get, there's no discount on it at all.
No, nothing, no discount, nothing. Just yeah, it's a lot of money that. I mean, you'd have to put that on a big account to justify
Yeah, yeah. To
putting
get
out
you were
£2,
steady
really.
3 to 4% a month though.
Yeah.
But
And you'd be as nervous as hell of blowing the account all the time if you put it on a big
I
account.
love it where it says ready to experience the power of stable expert advisors at drawdown of 60%.
Yeah.
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 Well,
But not on
see.
NZD CAD when you watch the Petco's video.
Yeah.
Low
Yeah.
drawdown on that one. But yeah, two grand's too much.
Yeah. 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 So what was that other one you was talking about? You were talking about,
On my sort of target list,
yeah,
future
FX
purchase.
stabilizer.
FX Stabilizer Pro,
Yeah, yeah.
Multi-Pair
Okay.
EA,
Yeah, yeah. They're
Forex,
all they're all part of that. Yeah, they're all part of where was it?
are the same stable, are they? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Where was it?
I think I might be
Multi-pair. Yeah,
developing
that's Robot Forex Pro. Yeah,
yeah.
Japan
Forex
strike. Yeah,
Trend Hunter
it's just
and
Forex
Japan
trend.
Strike.
Forex trend hunter. I haven't seen that.
I don't even know how much these are, but
No, no, no.
the ones I read.
Stabilizer Pro. No, that FX Stabilizer Pro is actually that's on AUD and 6 additional pairs. Okay, that's from Forex Store. Um,
I think Forex Store is just that's not the developer. That's just
yeah, 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 yeah. Just a store. Yeah, yeah,
just a shop. It's a bit like a bit like an eBay for
yeah. Well, you
uh,
got Stabilizer Pro and Stabilizer Ultimate. I don't know what that is.
yeah.
Ah, Ultimate's only got 6 pairs or something, and the other's got 8 pairs or whatever Stabilizer Pro. But you were talking 739 and $539.
Yeah, so a bit pricey at the moment.
Yeah, no, that's okay. Stabilizer Turbo. Well, it's
Oh,
trading quite a
I think
few.
I'm developing an addiction
Oh, I think you are too.
to
But I don't know how many licenses they might have
expert
on it.
advisors.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
But you
this
don't
isn't.
need loads of licenses. That's the thing. I think why do I want to pay $500 or $600 for 5 licenses and I don't need 5 licenses.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Trying to make it sound like you're getting a good deal because you're getting 5 licenses, but I think Tom's probably bored out of his box listening to
Sorry.
this.
Yeah, he would be. Doesn't tell you how many.
No, I'm right there with you guys. I'm listening.
It doesn't tell you how many.
Yeah,
You
the
know,
whole licensing
Oh, yeah,
thing, the
one
whole
one
licensing thing
license.
I don't
Yeah,
understand is why you only need one
Yeah.
I don't understand why you need 10 licenses.
Well, I don't think you do. I suppose if you it's good to have a couple of licenses because you could put one on a real account and one on a funded account. So,
Yeah.
quite handy to have two. But really, any more than two, you just I don't think you really need them. But
Oh no. Two separate licenses. Purchase pro version
I mean, if
of
you trade
UA.
3 or 4 different pairs, then with several licenses, you could then trade one pair on one account and one pair on
Yeah,
another.
and one pair another account. That's
So
right.
you can benefit that way from the
Yeah.
additional licenses.
Yeah. Yeah, the pro. You got to buy the pro to get two licenses or whatever, and you get unlocked
But
or
before you
whatever.
buy any Brian, do have a look for a
Yeah, code.
code.
Yeah.
They have some in this Discord group. I'd missed it actually. There's a chat thread in the Discord with discount codes. I could have had a discount off my iPhone's account that I opened at the weekend, and I missed.
Oh,
I didn't spot. I didn't realise there was a code for it. But never mind.
yeah. This FX stabilizer seems, yeah, interesting. Okay, and there's probably a video in relation to it.
Yeah,
So, yeah, he's got. Oh, yeah.
it's worth. It's. I would definitely consider joining that VIP group, Brian. If
You think so?
yeah, I think so. With the set files and I mean, just one discount code would have got me this month's subscription back. If I'd used it on iPhones, for example. So you'll get it.
Right.
It's worth it. So you get these discount codes. You get the obviously Discord. So ask questions. They're very responsive.
Yeah.
Uh, um,
It's about
and the set
about
files.
100 Aussie dollars a month. It's not too
No,
bad.
oh, Aussie dollars. Yeah, yeah, Aussie dollars. Yeah, yeah.
So
And the
it's
main
about the
thing
same,
is
isn't
set
it, for you?
files. It's the set files.
Euro, isn't it the euro and GBP about roughly equal, is it? Or
I think it's about one. Don't know what it is these. It's about 115 or something euros
oh,
to a
well, we
pound.
should know because we look at it each day. I don't know, it's 87 at the moment. Oh yeah, yeah, it'll be a dollar, whatever, $1.20 or something. Yeah. Okay. Or euro, $1.20 euro. Yeah. Pound. Okay. Yes. All right then. Well, we'll just keep looking at some of them. Stable. I mean, there's a bit of a catch up to occur slowly as but yeah. I was still thinking about getting that market maker as a
Yeah,
different one. If we have some different ones and we look at what
yeah,
we're
yeah,
trading,
yeah. No,
but
that's a good point.
certainly, but certainly, Wacka Wacka is way out of the range at this point. But
Yeah,
like it's,
definitely, absolutely.
but look, it's like any of these. They have big drawdowns if they're going to give you better returns.
Yeah,
And then your challenge comes, well, if it says you can trade four different pairs, which pair do you pick?
yeah.
I mean, you don't trade all four at once on the
No,
account. So, all right. Well, see you tomorrow. Thursday morning for me,
yeah,
Wednesday for you. Let's see what happens. Um,
Don't forget,
yeah.
government shuts down tomorrow.
Oh, is it holiday or?
No, they're closing the government because they can't agree on a bill, a funding bill.
they usually have a last
Oh,
minute. They usually agree something at the last minute, though, don't they? Usually.
Yeah, this is a little different though this time.
oh,
It's just a little different this time. He's just adamantly saying no. There, in fact, his exact words were when Democrats said they want the health care extended for another uh, a year rather than cutting 17 million people off their health care. His exact words were, "Go fuck yourself."
Wow.
So Democrats are saying no, they're not going to support keeping the government open if there's nothing for us to keep open for. Just to fund rich people? And they're like, no, we're not doing that. We're not doing it. So both sides are
Oh,
kind
so,
of dug in the ground.
so the Democrats aren't going to, you're saying?
Well, the Republicans apparently need Democrats to agree to give trillions of dollars to billionaires and cut health care to get this bill passed. And they're just like,
Oh,
we're
this
not
is
passing
the
this bill unless everybody gets to keep their medical.
is this
The
the
medical.
big beautiful bill?
It's a revision on it.
Okay.
It's yeah. So they're saying, look, if you want to keep the government running, you have to give us back our health care. And the Republicans are saying, no, you're not getting health care, period. We're just giving it to the
Yeah.
wealthy. And Democrats are saying, well, then why would we even vote for this? This is ridiculous.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
So we'll see.
We will, won't we? We'll see some crazy stuff go on, I think.
Yep.
Oh, bloody hell. That's amazing. All right. Yeah, and we got non-farm payroll as well coming on Friday. So all right.
Yep.
Okay. Until tomorrow.
All
Take it
right.
easy, fellas. All right.
Take care, you
Good on.
guys.
Take it easy, Darren. Just keep that, like AUDNZD all.
Yeah.
We
It's
hope.
in sucking in funds from all over the place, that one. It's
Yeah. Well, I hope it pulls back for you and you get out of it and then get into a pair that is more profitable, like NZD CAD or something.
yeah.
But it's also going in a hard direction at the moment too. So where AUD CAD might be a bit better at the minute.